Hello traders, how are you? Vladimir here from Traders Academy Club, and welcome to the weekly Forex forecast. Today we are preparing for the first trading week of October 2022. I hope you enjoyed your September and it was successful trading months for you. The market is super volatile. Amazing opportunities are building up. Amazing opportunities are already in movement. So I hope you managed to enjoy many of these opportunities. If you are new to this channel, first of all, welcome to our great community. Please subscribe with the subscribe button below this video. And in this very video, I want to share with you two instruments that I believe are super interesting. It will be sort of a follow-up to the videos I already, published 2 weeks ago, I think, exactly 2 weeks ago, actually, on the EURAUD and EURAUD. Both deliver amazing moves that I want to follow up and share the next opportunities on these pairs. So that would be EURAUD and the EURAUD. So let's go to the charts, but actually one last thing before we start with the technical things. If you are new to the channel, I invite you to enjoy amazing trading indicators and trading solutions we have for you. Below this video, in the description, you will find the links to download the indicators. The key trading levels indicator with a multi-time frame scan, the virtual trading pen that I draw with on my chart, and many more amazing solutions. You will find the direct links to download and enjoy them right below this video in that description. Also, what you can do is just go directly to the blog, vladimirribakov.com, go to My Strategies and Courses, and here you would find the in-house indicators. Okay, scroll down. You will find here many amazing solutions. Download them, install them, and enjoy them. So let's begin. As I said, this would be a sort of a follow-up to the video I shared a couple of weeks ago on the EURAUD and the EURAUD. So let's start with the EURAUD, where we wanted to see, after the pullback, further continuation upside. Now, this continuation delivers already about 500 pips movement. The question is, okay, it's all good. Up to where are we going, right? So we can see clearly here, massive zone coming in play. Okay, a lot of the highs are here. Okay, the dynamic 200 moving average, the falling resistance line, and this is exactly where I believe we are going. Here, I do suspect we will see some slowdown of this movement. Now, with that being said, of course, if you did follow the idea we covered a couple of weeks ago, by the way, if you missed this video, make sure you watch it. Okay? You can go directly to the channel. A couple of weeks ago, find the EURAUD and EURCAD that I shared in the weekly forecast. See the analysis behind it. It's very, very important to understand why did they choose these directions the way I did. You can also find it on this video on the right top corner right now. I'll put the link that will lead it directly to this video to watch. Make sure you watch it. The analysis behind it is important. It's a multi-time frame synchronization. So if you missed the fun of the first movement, here is how I think we are going. This, let's start from the beginning. This, I believe, was the first leg upside. Then we had the correction. Okay. Now, from my point of view, this was the first leg of the daily chart. This is the correction. And now we are building up the final leg. And with the reason I think so is because on the first of the daily leg, we can see two waves to the upside. Ended up with bearish divergence on the moving averages, two legs to the downside, a bullish hidden divergence for bullish continuation, giving an amazing trigger to buy. And right now, I believe, as I said, that we should complete this leg. Now, with that being said, let me just draw it a bit better so we can see on the lower time frames how I believe it is building up. Okay, so remember, we are now finishing the daily leg, which means the 4 hour, let's go back to the 4 hour, should create right now, probably, unless the market will surprise, something like that. And with that in mind, that's exactly what I am looking to trade. And I'll go to the final. Okay, so this is the 2 waves up, 2 waves down. Now we are building up the 3 waves, which I believe should eventually come to the slowdown, correction, and further continuation upside. This is exactly how I plan to work with this pair, get this rally slowing down, get the correction, and join with the final portion, of course, already from the closed positions. So in other simple words, if the waves are confusing you, and if they are, don't worry. Okay, it might be confusing a little bit, and it's absolutely fine. And I actually would like to take this opportunity and to invite you to join us in our trading family, Traders Academy Club. Get and put your hands on a free access to the VIP price action course. But besides that, enjoy all the real-time trading ideas and the real-time trading opportunities with the detailed explanation. Why do I do the way I do using all my techniques? So get your access with the link below this video in the description. Now, in simple words, I promised, I believe that the dips should be leading to opportunities to buy further up to, remember our levels. So this is the first one we have in mind. Let's go back to the daily for that. This is the first level we have in mind right here. Okay, next to the highs, key zone, and further, if we manage to go above that, we always have the next trend line. It should be this way and then this way. Okay, so these are the levels I believe this rally will take us to, and that's how I plan to enjoy this one. So how do you think the EURAUD? Did you manage to enjoy this amazing opportunity I shared with you 2 weeks ago? What would you anticipate for further with this amazing bullish run? Let me know in the comment section below this video. And also I would like to ask your help. 15-20 seconds of your time, hit this like button if you find these videos useful and helpful. Few words in the comment section would make a huge help and support to me and my work and this channel, of course. So thank you very much in advance to all those of you who take the time and support back my work and what I share here for you. The next one would be the EURAUD, another one we enjoyed the bullish run from, and now this one would become even more interesting. By the end of this move down with the bullish divergence we had and a false breakout, look at this faking spike, right, with a bullish divergence. Look at this bullish divergence, moving averages, histogram flipping on the MACD, of course, flipping from the negative to positive to negative again. RSI, they all lined up together. And if we manage to break this high, it will be a weekly convergence, weekly trend flip. Higher highs on the chart, higher highs on the indicator. That will mean for the long term, buy the dips. So the question is, okay, where are these zones we need to watch, right? So the immediate zone, of course, is above this high, all the way through the falling resistance line. This is the immediate weekly levels. Now let's examine the previous uptrend. So we were talking about the downtrend, previous uptrend. We have a supply area here and supply area slightly higher. Okay, this becomes a key zone for us. So taking these levels, going to the lower time frame, here is what is very likely to happen. This high from the weekly should be broken. And this is a very possible way for that, to go above that, complete some overbought conditions with MACD making new high and RSI going right above the 80 to put the pressure on the key levels from the sellers. They usually around such levels, they start to resist and they start to reject. It does not mean that if a level is touched, a pullback is due immediately. No, sometimes it takes to the market to build this scenario, and sometimes it just goes through to the next level. So have the levels in mind and wait for rejection, wait for the price trying and failing to break it. Okay, and with that in mind, let's clean the waves here. Here is the opportunity, of course, on the short term, exactly like with the EURAUD. If we get the pullbacks, I expect them to allow the final rally. Very, very possible scenario here that we will start to slow down. And while the daily goes extreme, the 4-hour will start to create the bearish divergence, lower highs on the indicator versus higher highs on the chart. And of course, it might start to be, first of all, from 1 hour and then to the 4-hour. And this is exactly why, for me, buy the dips is still the correct plan in this ongoing trending structure. So again, I hope you already managed to write it, but even if not, most likely there is still room left for you in this amazing run, which I believe is far for being closed. A quick reminder, if you missed it before, make sure you download the indicators we have for you and the trading solutions we have for you below this video in the description or directly from my blog, VladimirRibakov.com. Here in the strategies and courses, you would be able to find the direct link here, okay? In-house indicators. Find the ones you love, many of them available for free as well. Download, install, and enjoy. So that's pretty much it for this video. Let me know what do you think about these opportunities, and feel free to ask your questions below in the comment section. And once again, I invite you to join us in our trading family, Traders Academy Club. Enjoy the amazing things we have to offer, as you can see on this very image. Join our trading community, our trading family, and enjoy the best of our proven trading methods, our trading strategies, and our real-time trading ideas, the way we find them. So thanks for your time. Best to you and yours, and I wish you a very successful trading months ahead. Bye for now. See you soon with more.